Have you ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes on a cruise ship? Former crew members have seen it all, from hidden passenger policies and behind-the-scenes operations to little-known tricks that most guests never discover. While cruises are designed to feel effortless, there's a whole world working quietly behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. In this video, we're counting down 12 insider secrets shared by former cruise crew members that could completely change the way you look at your next vacation. Some will surprise you, and trust me, the number one secret is something cruise lines would rather passengers never think about. Number 12. The shore excursion price gouging scam. One of the biggest secrets former cruise crew members talk about isn't hidden below deck. It's the price of shore excursions. Many passengers assume the cruise line's excursions are always the best option. While they offer convenience and the reassurance that the ship won't leave without you if the excursion is delayed, they're often priced significantly higher than similar tours offered by reputable local operators. Former crew members say many independent tour companies provide nearly identical experiences for much less. Experienced cruisers compare options before booking instead of automatically choosing the cruise line's package. Sometimes the extra cost is worth the added convenience. Other times, a little research can save hundreds of dollars for the same destination experience. Key point: convenience has value, but it also comes with a premium price. The smartest cruisers compare both cruise line and independent excursions before deciding where their money is best spent. And that's one of the biggest insider secrets former crew members wish every passenger knew before sailing. Number 11. The cabin steward envelope secret. One of the oldest traditions on cruise ships isn't advertised anywhere. It's the cabin steward envelope. Former crew members say many experienced cruisers like to give a small cash tip to their cabin steward early in the voyage. Not because it's required, but because it helps establish a friendly relationship from day one. A thoughtful gesture is often appreciated and may encourage even more attentive service throughout the cruise. That doesn't mean you'll receive special treatment or guaranteed perks. Great service is the standard crew members strive to provide for every guest. But kindness and appreciation are often remembered. Key point: tipping early isn't a secret shortcut to VIP treatment, but showing appreciation and treating crew members with respect can help create a more enjoyable experience for everyone on board. But early tipping isn't the most surprising behind-the-scenes secret former crew members have shared. Because next, we're revealing something many passengers unknowingly do that creates extra work for the crew every single day. Number 10. The towel animal timing secret. Everyone loves coming back to their cabin and finding a towel animal waiting on the bed. But here's the part most passengers never realize. Former cruise crew members say towel animals aren't created randomly throughout the day. Cabin stewards carefully plan their housekeeping schedule around thousands of cabins, often making towel animals only after the room has received its full evening service. That's why some passengers see one every night while others occasionally don't. If your cabin remains occupied for much of the afternoon or displays the "Do Not Disturb" sign for extended periods, housekeeping may have less time to complete every extra touch before moving on to the next cabin. Experienced cruisers know that giving cabin stewards enough time to service the room makes everyone's job easier. Those small towel creations may look simple, but they take time. And after cleaning dozens of cabins each day, every minute counts. Key point: those towel animals aren't just decorations. They're the finishing touch to a carefully timed housekeeping routine that most passengers never see. But towel animals aren't the most surprising behind-the-scenes secret former crew members have revealed. Because next, we're exposing something happening behind cabin doors that guests rarely notice. Number 9. The hidden cleaning schedule. Most passengers assume their cabin is cleaned whenever they leave. Not quite. Former cruise crew members explain that cabin stewards follow carefully planned schedules, often servicing dozens of cabins within a limited time. If you repeatedly leave the "Do Not Disturb" sign on or stay in your cabin throughout the day, housekeeping may need to adjust its routine or return later if time allows. That's why experienced cruisers try to be mindful of housekeeping hours, making it easier for crew members to complete their work efficiently while still providing excellent service. Key point: a little flexibility with your cabin schedule can make a big difference for the crew working behind the scenes. But housekeeping routines aren't the most surprising secret former crew members have shared. Because next, we're revealing what really happens to many of the items passengers accidentally leave behind. Number 8. The lost and found treasure room. Every cruise leaves port with thousands of passengers. Not all of their belongings leave with them. Former crew members say it's surprising how many valuable items are left behind after every voyage. Phones, tablets, jewelry, passports, cameras, prescription glasses, chargers, and even large amounts of cash. When cabin stewards discover these items, they're turned over to the ship's Lost and Found department, where they're carefully logged and stored according to company procedures. The challenge is that once the ship sails, reuniting passengers with their belongings can become complicated. Items may need to be shipped internationally or held until the ship returns to the same home port. That's why experienced cruisers always perform one final sweep of the cabin before leaving. Checking drawers, closets, bathroom shelves, under the bed, and especially the cabin safe can save a lot of stress later. Key point: the easiest way to recover a forgotten item is simple. Don't leave it behind in the first place. But forgotten belongings aren't the most surprising thing former crew members see after every cruise. Because next, we're revealing a behind-the-scenes practice that most passengers never notice, even though it happens every single sailing. Number 7. The crew elevator secret. Ever notice doors marked crew only and wonder what's behind them? Former cruise crew members say those hidden corridors and elevators are the real highways of the ship. While passengers navigate crowded hallways and wait for elevators, crew members move through a separate network designed to transport food, luggage, supplies, and staff efficiently without disrupting the guest experience. It's one of the reasons cruise ships can seem so organized despite carrying thousands of people. Most passengers never realize that an entirely different world is operating just behind the walls. Everything from room service to luggage delivery depends on these backstage routes working smoothly around the clock. Without them, the guest experience would be far slower and far more chaotic. Key point: cruise ships are designed with two worlds in mind, the one passengers see and the hidden one that keeps everything running behind the scenes. But secret crew corridors aren't the most fascinating insider detail former crew members have revealed. Because next, we're uncovering a daily routine that affects every passenger on board without them ever noticing. Quick question: if you could spend one day behind the scenes on a cruise ship, which area would you want to see the most? The bridge? The engine room? The crew corridors? Or the massive kitchens? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying these insider cruise secrets, hit that like button and subscribe. Because coming up, we're revealing how crew members really view passenger requests, the hidden rules they follow every day, and the #1 secret that could completely change the way you experience your next cruise. Trust me, you look at cruise ships very differently after hearing what's next. Number 6. The buffet waste secret. One of the biggest surprises former cruise crew members talk about isn't what passengers eat, it's what they leave behind. Every day, cruise buffets prepare enormous amounts of food to ensure every guest has plenty of choices from opening until closing. But that abundance also means a significant amount of untouched food is discarded because it can no longer be safely served. Former crew members say the biggest source of waste isn't the kitchen. It's passengers who load oversized plates, take a few bites, and leave the rest. That's why experienced cruisers follow a simple strategy. Take smaller portions first, then return for seconds if they're still hungry. It reduces waste, keeps the buffet looking fresh, and helps the hard-working galley crew who prepare thousands of meals every day. A little mindfulness goes a long way. Key point: the buffet is unlimited, but that doesn't mean your first plate has to be. But food waste isn't the most eye-opening secret former crew members have shared. Because next, we're revealing what really happens behind the scenes after passengers leave their cabins each morning. Number 5. The midnight deep clean secret. When most passengers are asleep, an entirely different operation begins. Former cruise crew members say the overnight hours are used for some of the ship's most intensive cleaning. Public areas are sanitized, carpets are cleaned, railings are disinfected, and high-touch surfaces are prepared for the next day before most guests even wake up. That's why the ship often looks spotless every morning. The crew works through the night so passengers can enjoy a clean, welcoming environment without noticing the effort behind it. Key point: while passengers sleep, hundreds of crew members are already preparing the ship for another perfect day at sea. But overnight cleaning isn't the most impressive behind-the-scenes operation. Because next, we're revealing a secret that affects every meal served on board. Number 4. The special request priority. Ever wonder why some passengers seem to get exactly what they ask for? Former cruise crew members say it's rare because they're the loudest. It's because they ask early and politely. Whether it's an extra pillow, dietary accommodation, a celebration in the dining room, or a cabin request, crew members often have a much better chance of helping when they receive requests before the ship gets busy. Waiting until the last minute, especially during peak dining hours or embarkation day, can limit what's available. Experienced cruisers know that kindness goes a long way. Crew members remember respectful guests, and while everyone receives professional service, polite communication often makes solving problems easier for everyone involved. Sometimes the biggest cruise secret isn't knowing the right person. It's simply asking the right way at the right time. Key point: the earlier, and more respectfully, you make a request, the greater the chance the crew can help accommodate it. But special requests aren't the biggest insider secret former crew members have shared. Because next, we're revealing a little-known practice that quietly affects every passenger from the moment they step on board. Number 3. The hidden food preparation secret. Many passengers imagine that meals are prepared only a few minutes before they're served. Former cruise crew members say the reality is much more impressive. Behind the scenes, the galley operates almost around the clock. Bakers begin work before sunrise, chefs prep ingredients hours in advance, and specialized teams coordinate thousands of meals every single day. Timing is everything. A delay in one kitchen can affect restaurants across the entire ship, so every department works with military-like precision to keep service running smoothly. Most passengers never see the incredible teamwork happening below deck. Key point: every meal you enjoy is the result of careful planning and coordination by dozens of crew members working long before you ever sit down to eat. But even the massive galley operation isn't the most surprising secret former crew members have revealed. Because next, we're uncovering a little-known passenger habit that quietly influences the level of service you receive throughout your cruise. Number 2. The complaint priority system. Ever wonder why some passenger problems seem to get resolved faster than others? Former cruise crew members say it's often not about who complains the loudest. It's about who provides clear information. When guests calmly explain the issue, provide details, and remain respectful, crew members can usually identify the problem and work toward a solution much more efficiently. On the other hand, emotional confrontations or vague complaints often take longer because staff must first determine what actually happened. Experienced cruisers know that treating the crew as partners, not opponents, usually leads to a better outcome for everyone. Key point: the fastest way to solve a problem on board is often simple. Stay calm, be specific, and treat the crew with respect. But even excellent communication isn't the biggest secret former crew members have shared. Because number 1 reveals how many passengers unknowingly spend hundreds more than they need to, and why crew members quietly wish every guest knew the truth. Number 1. The shore excursion markup secret. If there's one secret former cruise crew members wish every passenger understood, it's this: you don't always have to book your excursions through the cruise line. Cruise-sponsored tours offer convenience and the reassurance that the ship will wait if the excursion is delayed. But that convenience often comes with a premium price. Former crew members say many reputable local tour operators provide similar experiences at significantly lower prices. Experienced cruisers compare both options before making a decision. Sometimes paying extra for a cruise line excursion makes perfect sense. Other times, a little research before sailing can save hundreds of dollars while delivering an equally memorable experience. The smartest travelers don't automatically choose the cheapest or the most expensive. They choose the option that provides the best overall value. Key point: the best excursion isn't always the one sold on board. It's the one that matches your budget, schedule, and comfort level. And now you know the 12 biggest insider secrets former cruise crew members say can completely change the way you experience your next cruise. So, which of these former crew secrets surprised you the most? Was it the hidden crew corridors, the lost and found room, the buffet waste, or the truth about shore excursions? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this insider look behind the scenes, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise secrets, travel tips, and crew insights you won't hear from the cruise brochures. Before you sail again, check out the video on your screen now. Because the more you know about how cruise ships really operate, the smarter and more enjoyable your next vacation will be.